Here's a quick video on how to rebuild your cylinders on your Alaskan pop-up camper. First thing you do is block off the top so that it can't come down on you. Next, take a 1-inch wrench and a hammer and tap the rod guide up and away from the base. Once the rod guide is free, make sure you tie a rag around the base of the cylinder so any oil gets caught before running down the side of the cylinder and onto your wood. At this point, unbolt the top of the cylinder and you should be able to pull the piston up and away. It's going to be really close. It will touch the roof, as you can see in this image. Once the piston rod is out of the main body, dump out the excess fluid that will be inside the piston rod. Select the correct O-rings for your application. Make sure that they're impervious to hydraulic oil. Now it's time to reassemble the cylinder, just the same way you took it apart. Using a seal pick, remove the old O-ring. At this point, make sure that the piston is clean so you can install a new O-ring. When reinstalling the piston, make sure you orientate the pin so it's easily accessible. At this point, you will bolt the top of the cylinder back to the bracket. The bracket is slotted so that the cylinder will self-center and not be in a bind. Once you've cycled the top a couple of times, all the air will be out of the cylinder and you're ready to go camping again. I hope this video was helpful and thanks for watching.